New tonight, San Diego police are sharing details of their new policy for automated license plate readers. Good evening. I'm Carlo Cicchetto. Thanks for joining us. While this technology has been proven to lower crime, it has also raised concerns over privacy. And now there are worries over whether federal immigration officials can access that data. CBS 8's Richard Allen has more on how the California Department of Justice intervened and the changes that have now been made.
Well, that's right. California's Attorney General issued this letter to San Diego's police chief in April, making it clear the department's admitted practice of sharing automated license plate reader data with federal agencies had violated long-standing state law.
This technology makes a real difference for real people in San Diego.
Friday, the San Diego Police Department made their position clear. Automated license plate readers, or ALPRs, are extremely effective in keeping San Diegans safe.
This technology has assisted in over 450 cases and counting, including homicides, robberies, burglaries, and attempted kidnappings.
Earlier this year, though, the state attorney general's office questioned the police department sharing ALPR data with federal agencies, as reported in the police department's annual surveillance report. Captain Charles Lara made it clear that data was used for criminal cases not related to immigration or reproductive care.
We shared with CBP, Customs and Border Protection, in cases involving kidnapping and human trafficking. We shared with Homeland Security in cases involving drug trafficking and serious crimes against children.
Nonetheless, that sharing violated state law, and SDPD confirms it has now halted that practice.
We've updated and refined our use policy to reflect a more restrictive approach, and we are now in good standing with the California DOJ.
Making it clear they do not share ALPR data with any federal agencies, including DHS or ICE.
We are not using this technology to enforce federal immigration law or limit reproductive rights.
Still, many San Diegans say in light of recent immigration raids and disturbing arrests, they don't trust the federal government, requesting that the ALPR program be suspended.
I don't believe the federal agencies will ask. I believe they will just take.
You cannot stop the federal government from accessing this information. And if you think you can, who is lying right now?
Councilmember Marnie Von Wilpert, head of the Public Safety Committee, also questioned the company behind the ALPR technology, Flock. What would happen if the federal government served them with a warrant for San Diego's ALPR data?
For immigration information, reproductive health information, how would our San Diego PD even know if that was happening?
We would notify you first, and we would work with you directly on your preferred approach.
And currently, this data is stored for 30 days, although today, Councilmember Stephen Whitburn asked the police department to look into the possibility of shortening that retention period.
Thank you, Richard.